How does the time is made? Time is not made, but rather measured and defined by human convention based on natural cycle. We create or make the system to track time using the Earth rotation days and orbit years standardized by extremely precise atomic clock and coordinated universal time UTC. How time is made, defined, and measured. Natural basis. Time is rooted in Earth's rotation days and revolution around the sun's years. Human convention. Humans created the units, seconds, minutes, hours to segment these natural cycles for order. The 24 hours day originated with the Egyptians. Modern accuracy. The exact time is maintained by averaging data from hundreds of atomic universal time UTC. Standardization. UTC is the primary time standard by which the world regulates clock with leap seconds added to keep it aligned with Earth's rotation. While the flow of time is a fundamental part of the universe, the measurement of it is man-made system designed by coordination and accuracy. This is Vanessa Vegas Televlog. Thank you for watching. Until next time.